First things first, this video is not complete. I repeat, this video is not complete. I want to upload this when it's complete, but it will take 2 more years to post the final parts because I left the actual prop in Philippine server, because now I am in other server. This video covers the foundation of the sword, while the second video that will be uploaded in the future covers the sanding of rough parts, final cover of 1 layer of paper mache, painting, and paint protection. Well, if you already watched my other sword making videos, I'm sure you can make those without my help. So, let's begin! The length of the sword, of course, depends on the one making it. The shaded part will be cut off. We will put stick inside it later on. The unshaded part will be in the middle, sandwiched by the shaded part. Just a piece of advice. When putting the stick, it's better if you move the other stick up to the half of the other stick. Now, I will do it on the other side. This is the extra feature I thought, because the sword we're going to be heavy, we need to make the backbone really strong. I'm going to fill the gaps in the sticks with Formula Y because when the Formula Y dries up, it's really like a hard stone. This is the middle part that I cut off, and I'm going to glue it back onto the 62 centimeters middle part. I'm going to test its durability. I'm now going to make the blade, and this is how I made the pattern. In the middle, inside of the blade pattern, I'm going to cut a 0.5 centimeters wide strip, and also the upper part, but this strip needs to be cut half of the cardboard box only. This will let us easily fold and make the shape of a blade. Okay, this part needs to be cut fully, not half. I'll show you later on why. Next step, I will fold it now inside where I cut. I will now glue it to our backbone. Now, if you join the sides of this part to make the shape of the sword on the tip, we need to cut excess part on the middle where I told you before that it needs to be fully cut. That's the reason why it needs to be fully cut. Look at the shape of the blade! Let's test the sword again. Okay, I am now going to make the sword handle. The first thing I will do is make a rectangle filler here that has a measurement of 2.5 centimeters. The number of this little vertical strips will depend on how thick is the foundation of the sword. Each time I put a vertical strip, I test it on the handle if it fits. By the way, I use 0.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters for the strips. I will also add a layer here until it reaches the height of the blade. This is the template for the crossguard. If combined with the other side, it should look like this. Okay, so I will now cut the middle part so I can insert it into the sword foundation.
Why so many? Because I need to match it to the thickness of the blade.
So this is the compilation of the parts that I cut and their combinations. And this is how I will assemble. So on this part, I'm going to refine the details using Formula Y. And that's it. I'm really sorry that the second part will be a long wait, and I hope that I helped you somehow in this video. Thanks!